The Supreme Court on August 5th stressed that law enforcement agencies must exercise restraint while dealing with protests. The court observed that even if some misguided elements resort to stone pelting, youngsters should be pacified and counseled. The remarks came as a bench headed by Chief Justice of India Surya Kant, along with Justices Joymala Bagchai and V. Mohana, agreed to hear a plea seeking action against the organizers of the 20th July Sansad Chalo March for allegedly inciting violence. The court tagged the petition with a similar case already pending before it. Appearing for the petitioner, Advocate Rizwan Ahmed questioned the accountability of the organizers, saying 15 days had passed since the protest. Referring to the violence in which one young man had died, he argued that governments should not bend backwards to accommodate protesters. He contended that doing so in the national capital could set a precedent for similar protests elsewhere, including Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh.